Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastically well. So if you're new here, my name is Jason. I am a prop trader and I do a lot of prop firm reviews on this particular channel. So make sure you subscribe if you want to get any of the latest updates from the prop firms that I'm working with, as well as any of the major changes in the industry. So one of my favorite prop firms right now is Leveraged. Obviously they've built a huge community over the past year since they've been going, and now getting a lot more traction with bringing out some different models and making some big updates to their overall platforms. So I just want to cover off two of the big things they've done recently. Now the first one is to introduce MetaTrader 5. Now, when all the licensing issues really started to cripple a lot of prop firms just over a year ago, everyone pulled MT5, moved away to CTrader, DXTrade, etc. Now, those platforms are fantastic in their own right, but still a lot of people just prefer to have MetaTrader. That goes historically around having the application on their phone. People are familiar with it, they like it, and everyone's been badgering on to a lot of problems who don't have it is when you're going to introduce it. Now, there's obviously a big cost element around that one, getting licensing, getting infrastructure, getting all the connectivity through the platforms into the back ends, but Leveraged have now done it. They're now introducing MetaTrader 5 across all of their platforms, which I think is a big step forward. But again, what we do see with a lot of people trading is, although they prefer have MetaTrader 5, it all comes down to a lot of the times they're using the charting packages on TradingView. They then transfer that over to the mobile app on their phone and place the orders through there, and allows them to manage them a lot easier. You can do exactly the same thing if you had CTrader. A lot of the EAs, so all the algo trading robots, as well as all of the indicators that people have historically from MetaTrader, you can literally import them all in there, have no issue whatsoever. As well as exporting any templates, you can then have that there. And one of the downfalls with MetaTrader, it's still not available natively on a Mac, so there's still lots of hacks and works around. So again, this is predominantly looking at a lot of the PC-based traders. And the second big announcement from them is they've actually increased the maximum funding you can do on their Sprint Challenge. If you're not aware what the Sprint Challenge is, effectively it allows you a very, very quick way of getting funded. All you have to do is hit a 2% target. Effectively, your risk is very, very small. You only have a 1% drawdown. But again, the funding is very quick and the entry is quite small, starting from $49. And now you can have a maximum of up to $50,000. So with the Sprint model, it really is a gamification of prop firm trading. You can literally place one trade, you can get in there with a 2-to-1 return, have your risk set at 1%, get that 2% return, and you are funded straight away. There are no issues, no problems with that at all. Now, if you do manage to go and hit your drawdown, hit that max loss, it's not the end of the world to go back in there, especially at the lower entry point of a $10,000, only $49. You can then go have another go. And before you know it, you are going to be funded with Leverage and then start looking at the payouts. Especially we can see a lot of the Trustpilot reviews now. Fantastic. We're now seeing all of the payout evidence on Discord and on the website. So for me, there have been no downsides with prop firm whatsoever. I know I've taken challenge with them. I've not managed to go through and get to that funded stage yet. I've just been really distracted from my trading, not been able to give it the attention and focus it deserves. But I'm looking to retake that challenge and get funded with them and start getting some good payouts with Leverage in the future. So again, let me know in the comments if you have traded with Leverage, if you are thinking with them, and I'll do my best to answer any questions. But as always, go over to their Discord. They are fantastic in there with a chat and they'll be able to help you out with any questions you have. Thanks for watching everybody, and I'll catch you again very soon. Cheers.